Welcome to the Fox Run subdivision located in Manchester, Tennessee, just south of Nashville. Guys, behind me, you're going to see a Harney home development that is in full swing. We've got single-family residential homes. We've got multiple homes being built behind us. We've got vacant land to my right-hand side that's going to be developed. Guys, this development as a whole offers anywhere from 1,800 to 2,800 square feet of living, single-family residence. The price points, you're going to be able to find them anywhere from $300,000 up to $500,000. So if you enjoy this kind of content, please hit the subscribe button, follow along with us as we go take a quick look at these 6 different floor plans that we have to show you. Also, make sure that when you do reach out, ask about our lender incentive on all of these properties. That way we can make sure that you guys get the best deal. Again, thank you all for watching. Hit the subscribe button, follow us along as we have many, many more floor plans to bring to you.